Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I just bought this mic because I wanted to record different videos and for multiple uses. So I thought to create the unboxing video, so if someone is struggling to buy some mic or something like that, so you can find this thing like how it works and the price and each and everything. So I received this mic yesterday, and I will mention the website from where I bought this, and I will drop the link in the description so you can check out from there too, because that is a legit website. And yes, so here is the bill, because it has some personal information, so I cannot show you the bill, but this is the box, and now we are going to unbox this. So let's do this. It has a seal, you can say here's a seal, I just cut it off. So now let's open this box, and here we have this. Okay, we have one sticker, and then we have this note from the CEO and the instruction book. Then we have two packages here. Let's see what's inside this. This is the stand, I guess. Yes, this is the stand. Okay, now this is the mic, and I have to open it with the care. So, okay, this is the mic, and this is the cable, and it is some kind of connector. Okay, now how we have to connect this? First of all, we have to put this whole section, this main section, on this area. We have to move this. Then we have to put this area on this basic circle curve. So we have to rotate it in this way. Perfect. Now here you can see this is the light section, like it will display LED section where you can see like mic is on or off or whatever the thing is. This is the USB area. You have to put your USB here, and then you can connect it with your laptop or computer or whatever the thing is. So this is all about how we can unbox this thing and how we can connect this thing with the provided parts. And these are the parts and each and everything. I will drop another video where I will show you how this works and the quality and each and everything. And then have to subscribe, like, share. Thank you for joining this channel.